For this I was born.
I mean, that's what I shouldn't go past.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
You said the
Dog Messiah. So come right up. This video will probably be up in a few days.
oh my
Good.
gosh, you got a lot of followers.
Thank
too.
you, yeah. Be sure to subscribe, and everybody out there
Yes,
watching,
I
subscribe.
already
Power,
subscribed.
man, bless you.
Yes.
I really, yeah. See, he's friendly, he's cool.
I love you too.
And,
For this I came into the world.
I'm at Cabelas. We're trying to hurry up because there's a dog over there. I think we're another different training company. Good. Weight. Handsome. Someone's big, beautiful. Italian mastiff with me. Good. Look. Oh, they have a couple of dogs with them. Good. Awesome. A Malinois. And I saw a bully as I was driving up. Oh, it's another training company. Awesome. So I guess everybody had the same idea that I had. Yes. Look at how beautiful he's doing. Yes. Well, first and foremost, I'd like to thank you all so much for watching, especially those of you that plan to stick around until the very end. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and pull the bell so you'll be notified when I upload another video. I tell you the truth, I try to live my life nobly. I'm not like other dog trainers, and I'm not implying anything about them, but I tell you what, there have been other trainers in my area, in the Houston, Texas area, that are still in business despite hurting another dog. Shit. Gotta pick this shit up. Go ask for a bag. If not, I gotta walk back to the car and get one. That's unfortunate. Good. Alright, I'm gonna go grab a bag. I gotta go grab a bag. Excuse me. You know what? Let me grab the lunch bag. Good. It's unfortunate that you did that to me, buddy. Got me digging in the car, but that's alright. You had to do what you had to do, even though I gave you a long ass potty break. But like I was saying, there's not this company, but a different trainer, very popular trainer, that also does a lot of training for NBA player dogs. This one belongs to an NBA player, where they do a lot of training. In fact, the latest NBA, Ty Cal, got caught abusing the dog, and for somehow or the other, he's still in fucking business.
Excellent.
Can you believe it? Good. Look, he did really well this time. Alright. So you can hear the barking. So very good. Hold on, the dog's out there taking a shit. Handsome. So again, as I was saying, my name is ErwinValderramos, and I'm the dog messiah. I'm the lover of dogs in person. And I try to live my life nobly, so that my past actions are worthy of recalling by those in the future, and worthy of filming. Yes, that's why subscribe, and please do give me a like and share. It helps my channel out tremendously. Cool dog. There's another dog barking. All right, good. Handsome. Over here. And this stay. Good. Stay. Power. Awesome, huh? Good. Awesome. Malinois. Good. Stay. Handsome, young boy. So look, I'm going to go in their direction. I'm going to turn around. Good. Handsome. Smart. And beautiful. Man, my pants are falling. That sucks. Alright. Look, I'm losing weight. Good. Alright. Handsome. Good. Sir? Thank you so much. Here's my training dog. I think everybody had that idea today. There's other trainers out here today too. Good. It's a cool place though. They have harness. They have a dog. A lot of people don't realize it, but I'm here to check to see if they have a harness that'll work for him. Yeah. For some training. Y'all carry all that stuff. People don't realize that. Plus they have e-collars here that you can get. Handsome. Man, he's doing well. Good. Good. So you see I'm not saying the word I know. Stay. Do you see how I'm not saying the word I know? Power. See those people? Good. Stay. He's doing very well. Handsome. Good. Good, 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 Papa. Oh, look. Let's walk around through here. Wow. Interesting thing. Power. Good. Handsome. Good. Power. Stay. I'm gonna let you all know if you're not already following me on Instagram. You should be. There's another training company out here. Stay. We're at Cabelas. Good. You see people. So I'm gonna step on his leash just to be on the safe side. Good. Stay. He loves people. Power. Good. Hands. All right. Let's get it going. Touch. Touching him. Hello. Hey. Good. So look, I'm looking to catch him off guard. This is not a dog that's done with his training. In fact, I'm in second trainer. I'm gonna lift my pants up. Sucks, dude. A good palm and a half. Touching him is a release. I touched him with my left hand, where I also had my camera. Beautiful papa. Handsome. Don't know if he's ever been in a Cabela, but he's been all over the country. Man, they got amazing stuff here. We're gonna go check out the harnesses. So again, I'm looking for him to. Those sort of trainers are trying to come inside, but they're not wanting to engage me. Good. Awesome. Good. Beautiful papa. Handsome. Good, good, good. Beautiful. Handsome. See? It is a kind of Corso, yes. He's very friendly. He loves people. He's getting trained. Thank you.
I seen one the other day. I was just like,
yeah. We're in here to see if we can find a harness for him and two
oh, is that a GoPro with you on YouTube?
I do. You can in fact you'll see this video on the Dog Messiah. Awesome, thank you. He's friendly.
Oh my
Good,
God.
he's my training dog.
I mean, that's what I shouldn't go past.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
You said the
Dog Messiah. So come right up. This video will probably be up in a few days.
oh my
Good.
gosh, you got a lot of followers.
Thank
too.
you, yeah. Be sure to subscribe, and everybody out there
Yes,
watching,
already
subscribe.
subscribed.
Power! Man, bless you.
Yes.
I really, yeah, see, he's friendly, he's cool.
I love you too.
And yeah, and you can actually watch videos of him because he came from like New Jersey. So you can see when they dropped him off, man, he was a hot mess. Boy.
Really? What do you
Hell
mean?
yeah.
Was he like skinny or
pulling? Well, he was kind of skinny, but he was like pulling, acting really wild.
He's
So
like
he's doing amazing,
chilled out.
dude. Yeah, he's chilled out. That's what I was telling his family. Damn, this dog is on a roll.
Yes.
And see, so like, that's why I take them different places so that they can have the field trips. And plus, you guys have harnesses here.
Yes.
People don't realize y'all have a lot of good dog stuff.
A lot.
And when I say, man, go to Cabelas and check out what they have. Like, I come here for the e-collars and stuff. They're good. But look how good he does, huh?
Yes. So this
Handsome.
is because of the e-collar too?
No, ma'am. No, he has had an e-collar on, but I've never used one with him. I'm just using that collar. And in fact, that collar there is made for small dogs.
Yes.
And you see I have like a,
He's so good.
look how thin this leash is. How you doing? He loves people though. He's gonna want to kiss you. Look, he's sneaking over. Yeah, awesome. Well, thank you so much for subscribing.
You're
You'll see this video soon, yes? I really appreciate it. Good, good, good. Handsome.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Good. Awesome. New subscriber, huh? Good, good, good. Look at the e-collars I'm talking about. So, let me show you guys what is a really good, very affordable one. The ones that I use myself are like Dogtra. They're gonna run closer to $500-600. But look, this one is a good one. You want to get a camo, that's a good price. Those are all really good. Good, good, good. But let me look around and see what they have for harnesses. Good. They got all types of shit here. All this stuff is training, specifically for hunting training. Look, more collars. Que guapo, mi amor. You're doing so good. You're just impressing the hell out of everybody. Good down, baby. Now, I'm not asking him to lay down. I don't want him to lay down. I want him to sit up and show everybody that beautiful gargoyle profile. Man, I tell you, if the gargoyles aren't laying down, typically they're sitting up, guarding the cathedrals. And my body is a temple, and I need him to sit up so he can guard this cathedral. Good, 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 good. Wow, handsome, baby. All right. I don't think I'm in the dog area shit anymore. They might have toned down on all the shit they have for dogs. Good. I haven't been here in a while for anything other than an e-collar. I don't see anything there. Huh. Maybe here. Ooh. There. I don't think they have what I'm looking for. Good. Good, good, good. Awesome. Look, they got the gun library. What a cool place, man. A lot of amazing beauties in there. Good. But this is the bullet you can call back. He's not in my Man Stopper program, but he's still a hell of a good allied natural gardening steak. Doing amazing, huh? I'm gonna take this time to let you all know you're not already following on Instagram. You should be. Power. Good. So look. Oh, there's that other fam. Look at all the people over there. Their dog's not healing or doing shit. He's a Malinois. Malinois are a lot easier to train than Corsos, especially him, man. He was very stubborn. Look, that one. Power. Good, good, good. Oh, thank you, sir. Look, what else? Oh, look how I'm gonna handle it. He fucked up. I was stepping on the leash, and that was a perfect distraction. Perfect for somebody to walk past. But you lost your faith, Papa. That's okay. I still have faith in you, yes? Good. Good, good, good. Handsome. Good. Handsome. Good. Smart. And power. Good. Good, good. Handsome. Good. Let's go look at the fish, Papa. A lot of cool. Oh, feeding the fish. Fun. Awesome. Look, they're feeding the fish. Good, good, good. Oh, there's that dog. Good. Good stay, Papa. Oh, one slipped out. Good stay. Handsome. Oh, doing so well. Look. Look at that fish. Oh. Good. Good. Sit. Good. Slow, but I'll take it, Papa. And he's doing awesome. So, good. Oh, beautiful, Papa. You know what, the other Cabelas that I went to that had a huge grizzly bear. Man, this dog is doing amazing. This family is going to be most excited when they receive him. So, that's why I'm going to tell you guys, you want to subscribe. You will miss that, yes? Handsome. Good. Look. Until he does it. Touch. Oh, excuse me, sir. Go ahead. No, I'm not going back in. I'm working. Thank you, though. Awesome. All right, what is on the way out? Oh, all right. Alright, it's okay. Awesome, huh? Yeah, you didn't think that was so awesome. Power. Good. He did amazing. I want to thank you all so much for watching, especially since you stuck around until the very end. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and call the bell so you'll be notified when I upload another video. Yes, eventually you'll see a video of him being reunited with his family. You don't want to miss it. If you're in the Houston, Texas area where I'm at, or you're local, I have a 3-week board and train program that's better than any other place. But I do specialize in dogs from around the country, out of the country even. This dog is from Jersey, something like that. He's intercontinental, may I tell you. So I specialize in those. For those families, I offer a Lodge and Learn program, about 3 months long, most affordable comparatively speaking. If you can comfortably afford them, by all means do reach out. I also have phone consultations, group classes, all that shit. Otherwise, watch on YouTube and learn, yes? Que guapo, mi amor. Awesome. My name is ErwinValderramos. I'm the Dog Messiah. I'm the lover of dogs and persons, and make no mistake.
For this I was
Go
born.
tell them.
For this I
Stick around and
came
watch.
into
We're
the
gonna do a new
world.
thing. Go bananas. Handsome. Oh, I better need to unlock it, huh, Papa? Awesome. Good. Power.
So be ye angry, and sin not. Don't let the sun go down upon your wrath. Instead, you must be still, commune with your own heart upon your bed, and be silent. And as with all things, when you do it, you must be intense in the doing it. If you are lukewarm, you're told in Scripture, I will spew you out. Be it that ye are either hot or cold, but because thou art lukewarm, I will spew you out. You can't accomplish shit in this world if you're tepid and timid. You must be intense about everything that you want. Set yourself on fire and the world will follow. You are called to dominate the earth. Bless you all.
Good, Salim Nova. Good, Nala. Oh, she bit my face. Shit. Good. Oh, good. Oh, I can feel her bite.